Hi guys, and today I've just got a quick blind bag for superthing Series 9. Hopefully you can see it there. And we felt it and we think it might be one of the golds. So we're going to open it to find out. 3, 2, 1. Oh, there's the checklist. Hold on. Is that it? Oh, that's it. That's the checklist in case you haven't seen it. And now, the superthing. Yep! It is the Royal Justice Crown. It's beautiful. Now, I may or may not have a quadruple amount of these. So, I think what I'm going to do is give this to a friend. Because they don't have it. So, that'll be the end of the video today, guys. Bye!